So it turns out this fan I made a video about earlier is shaky. That's bad news. I'm actually not sure what happened, but if you can look up closely enough.
Look at the numbers.
If I hold the phone still enough, you can tell that it's not having a good day. And I know I'm horrible camera. But yeah, this is just weird. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna probably turn it off. Alright, so we're gonna turn it off. And then it stops with the noise. It's so weird. I'm gonna turn it back on though. Alright, see you guys.